Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple breakfast. Kindly like the video and stay to the very end if this is what you want to learn. To a clean saucepan, add in your vegetable oil and go ahead and add some onions. You can cut your onions any shape of your choice. I minced mine and it's perfectly okay. I go ahead and add some crushed garlic and some blended scotch bonnet pepper. This is totally optional. You can also use black pepper flakes or chili flakes, anyone that is available to you. And I have some chicken breast here. It's a simple breakfast. You can use the quantity preferable to you. This is just a breakfast for one I'm making. Some salt to make the chicken breast to taste nice. After adding salt, I also added bouillon cube, just one bouillon cube. That depends on the quantity of the breakfast you are making. And I added some water. Adding water enables the chicken to cook in very well. Without adding water, the chicken will not be fried and juicy. It will be dry. So adding water make it fry well and also juicy and taste very nice. To a clean bowl, crack some eggs. I'm using 2 eggs. You can use more than 2 depending on the quantity you are making. Also remember, in my videos I always emphasize on breaking your egg into a bowl and turning it into another, so that if there is any bad one, you to separate it. So I added my whisked egg into my fried chicken and adding some bread. Flip it to the other side, guys. You can use a spatula for this, okay? And my hands are very clean. You can use a spatula to put your bread and flip it over like what I'm doing. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Chef MMN, and on this channel I teach on how to make Nigerian food, intercontinental dishes, pastries, and lots more kitchen related content. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, create this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. And to all my amazing returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. And yeah, the breakfast is ready. This is quick, easy, healthy, super delicious breakfast. Will you like to try this? Please try it and let me know in the comment section. So I'll be having mine, and it's so super delicious. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.